Okay, friends, let's start the tiger. So first, tiger hand. Tiger will hand from left and to right, and lift the legs, and again to right side. This is tiger hand for Shaolin 13 Paws. Okay, let's repeat again. And next movement is tiger's tail. The right leg will kick like the tail, and the two paws will move like this. Okay, I'll show you like this. And again, tiger. Okay, I'll move like this. Tiger hand. And the tiger tail. Okay. Okay. So we will finish this episode. Tiger hand. Tiger tail. And again. 3 paws. Cross heart. Cross face. Cross chest. Tiger hand. Okay. That's okay. Tiger tail. Tiger hand again. Tiger, I won't explain. We just take a look. Just look at me. Let's play like this. Tiger hand, tiger tail, and 3 main pow, face, chest. Tiger. The tiger come. Tiger kick. Thank you. Have a nice day.